Do you want to dine like a king without breaking the bank? Look no further than the American Express Gold Card. This card is your ticket to saving big, whether you're savoring a meal at home or exploring culinary delights on your travels. Now, you might be thinking, $250 annual fee? No way! But hold that thought. We're about to show you how this card is worth every penny and help you squeeze every drop of value from its unique benefits. Credit cards often boast valuable benefits, but their true worth shines when you actually use them. With the American Express Gold Card, maximizing your benefits is a breeze. But that's just the beginning. Factor in the exceptional return on food purchases and the perks you receive when booking travel, and you're sure to come out ahead. Don't let these benefits go to waste. Here are 7 ways you can start maximizing your card today and enjoy all it has to offer. Number 1. Maximize on your welcome offer. Are you ready to unlock a welcome offer that's practically a goldmine? With the American Express Gold Card, you can earn 60,000 points after spending $6,000 on eligible purchases in your first 6 months as a cardholder. If you're lucky, you might snag even juicier offer through the card match tool or a referral link. Now, here's where the fun really begins. Your Amex membership reward points are your ticket to a world of possibilities, from cashback to luxurious flights in the lap of luxury aboard Singapore Airlines' first-class suites. However, not all redemption options are created equal. For the best bang for your buck, consider transferring your points to partner hotel and airline loyalty programs. Or how about seizing the opportunity to snag a round-trip domestic economy award during one of Delta's frequent flash sales? With just 5,000 points, you could be jetting off on a budget-friendly adventure that's big on savings and even bigger on fun. With these options, the world is yours to explore, all thanks to your Amex Gold Card bonus points. Number 2. Feast your way to rewards with the Amex Gold Card. Indulge your love for food and earn rewards while you're at it. The American Express Gold Card offers 4 points per dollar spent at restaurants worldwide and U.S. supermarkets, up to $25,000 per calendar year at U.S. supermarkets. With each point valued at 2 cents, that's an impressive 8% return on your food purchases, outshining many other cards on the market. Whether you're dining out or stocking up on groceries, this card is designed to reward your foodie adventures. In fact, if you spend just $3,150 per year on groceries and dining combined, you'll easily offset the $250 annual fee, making this card a good deal even without factoring in the welcome bonus. Number 3. Soar to new heights with 3-time points on flights. Earn 3 points per dollar spent on flights booked directly through airlines or via Amex Travel, translating to a rewarding 6% return based on TPG's valuations. But that's not all. Travel with a peace of mind knowing that if your luggage is lost, stolen, or damaged while traveling with a common carrier and you've purchased your ticket with the Amex Gold, you're eligible for up to $1,250 in coverage for carry-on baggage and up to $500 for checked baggage. Number 4. Ride and dine with $120 in annual Uber Cash. Rev up your savings with the American Express Gold Card's Uber Cash benefit. Simply add your card to your Uber app to enjoy up to $10 in Uber Cash each month, valid for both Uber Eats orders and Uber rides in the US. While this credit doesn't roll over month to month, it's a breeze to maximize and can easily cover your transportation and dining meals. Don't miss out. Enroll today. Number 5. Savor the savings with $120 in annual dining credits. With the American Express Gold Card, dining out has never been more rewarding. Receive up to $120 in annual dining statement credits distributed in up to $10 increments each month when you use your card at select merchants, including Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, Milk Bar, and select Shake Shack locations. Enrollment is required, but once you're signed up, the savings are yours to enjoy. Plus, with delivery services available in most major US cities, using your dining credit is as easy as pie. Don't let this tasty offer pass you by. Number 6. Indulge in luxury with the Hotel Collection. Unlock elite-like benefits with the American Express Gold Card's The Hotel Collection. When you book a stay of 2 nights or longer at select hotels through Amex, you'll not only earn 2 points per dollar, but also enjoy a room upgrade at check-in and a $100 on-site credit. This credit can be used for dining, spa treatments, or resort activities, adding an extra touch of luxury to your stay. Even booking just 1 or 2 of these stays a year can help you recoup a significant portion of the card's annual fee, making it a valuable perk for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Number 7. Explore the world with peace of mind. Traveling internationally, the American Express Gold Card is your perfect companion. Say goodbye to foreign transaction fees and hello to hassle-free spending wherever your adventures take you. Cardholders can also enjoy the card's travel insurance benefits while traveling internationally, providing added peace of mind. From lost luggage to trip cancellations, the Amex Gold Card has you covered. There you have it. Don't miss out on this one, folks. That concludes today's video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Until next time.